tutorials I always make. Okay, let's start out with red, orange, yellow, and then green, right? And then we have blue. Now we have purple, and that is the last color. Now we're going to make another one, red, orange, yellow. That's all I can fit, so I'm going to do it to another one. Green, blue, purple, and then red, orange, and then on the other side we're going to do flowers and a little rainbow. We're going to start out with the Sharpie to make the walls and a pink Sharpie. Color first this much. A second we need red. I always get mixed up with the colors. Then orange, green, and purple. Okay, we're going to fill up these parts so we can be out. Let's go. First we need some green. Done. Now we need some orange. And now we're going to make flowers. That is a perfect one. Okay, now we're going to make a sun. And inside this, we're going to make a little bit of grass. Let's make it a little bit darker.